Hello, dear students. I hope that you all would be good. Students, let's start in the name of God, which is most merciful and gracious. Students, in today's class, I am going to discuss about the modal verb might. Let's see how to use might in the sentences. स्टूडेंट्स आज की क्लास में हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं मॉडल वर्ब माइट। आइए देखते हैं कि माइट को सेंटेंसेस में कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाता है। स्टूडेंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट द सिनोनियम्स फॉर माइट। द सिनोनियम्स फॉर माइट आर एनर्जी, फायर पावर, फोर्स, horsepower, muscle, potence, potency, power, and strength. Let's see the antonyms for might. The antonyms for might are impotence, impotency, powerlessness, and weakness. The formula for might is subject plus might plus verb first form plus object, and the definition of might is the power, authority, or resources wielded as by an individual or group. Number two, the power, energy, or intensity of which one is capable. Translation of might. The noun for might are glory and might. Its Urdu meaning is azmat. Students, identification in Urdu for might is हो सकता है या शायद. Introduction to might. What is might in a sentence? Might is used to express permission, liberty, probability, or possibility in the present. Number two, might is used to say that something is possible. The words related to might. The words are aptitude, capability, capacity, competence, and competency. Students, let's see how to use might in the sentences. The first sentence is we might get there before it rains. हो सकता है हम बारिश से पहले वहाँ पहुँच जाएं. The next sentence is he might come here today. शायद आज वो यहाँ आ जाए. He might knock at the door. हो सकता है वो दरवाजे पर दस्तक दे. Boys might make a noise in the class. शायद लड़के क्लास में शोर करें. The fisherman might catch a big fish. हो सकता है माहीगीर एक बड़ी मछली पकड़े. Students, let's see how to make sentences as negative when you use might. The first sentence is I might not write a letter to you. शायद मैं आपको चिट्ठी ना लिखूं. इमरान might not sell his cow. हो सकता है इमरान अपनी गाय फरोख्त ना करे. Children might not learn their lesson. शायद बच्चे अपना सबक याद ना करें. We might not win the match. शायद हम क्रिकेट मैच ना जीत सकें. दे माइट नॉट सपोर्ट अस, हो सकता है वो हमारी मदद ना करें. Since it was all about the use of might in the sentences. I hope that you enjoyed it and I hope you found it helpful. Keep on learning English with e.English, and I want you to remember that the only way to improve and only way to take your English to the next level is through practice and repetition. And of course, speak as much as possible, even if you make mistakes, because mistakes is the only way to learn. एसर्स ये था माइट का जुमलों में इस्तेमाल. माइट को जुमलों में कैसे इस्तेमाल किया जाए, उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप बेहतर तरीके से समझ चुके होंगे. मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. अपना और अपने प्यारों का बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. गुड बाय. गॉड ब्लेस यू.